Hello, and welcome to a quick dive into Amazon Macie. Macie is a powerful security service that uses machine learning to protect your sensitive data in AWS. It's like having a vigilant guardian for your cloud environment. Macie automatically discovers and classifies sensitive data, such as personally identifiable information or financial records, stored in Amazon S3. With its advanced machine learning, it identifies patterns and anomalies, alerting you to potential risks like unsecured buckets or unauthorized access. It integrates seamlessly with AWS services, providing detailed findings and risk scores to help you prioritize responses. Imagine a healthcare company storing patient data. Macie scans their S3 buckets, flags unencrypted files, and sends alerts to their security team, ensuring compliance with regulations like HIPAA. Or a startup can use Macie to monitor data access, preventing costly breaches. Its dashboards are user-friendly, making it easy to visualize risks and act quickly. Why choose Macie? It saves time, reduces manual audits, and strengthens your security posture. Whether you're a small business or a global enterprise, Macie scales to meet your needs. Plus, its pay-as-you-go pricing means you only pay for what you use. Ready to secure your data? Explore Amazon Macie on the AWS console today and take control of your cloud security. Thanks for joining. Let's keep your data safe with Macie.